Hi guys, good morning. You know,
Alright,
so yeah, I'm just here doing my daily routine. For the people that weren't born with high color, like myself, you have to buy it, right? So this is what you call cake soap. You understand? You see it? Yeah, so you use that and you rub everywhere. You just rub. You can't go in a direct sunlight, you know, you have to wear like hat and carry umbrella and all these things, or else it not go work. Yeah, and you need socks, the tall socks, or else it not go work. Everything have to cover up, you understand? So you just do that. Sure, you just do this. Me never wet it, so me just a show you how you feel do it, and make sure say you cover everywhere. Or else you go spotty and look like
style.
yeah, a vibes cartel starting. Addy, I'm with daddy, thank you, Addy. Daddy, you don't want to rub.
Move your look at
So yeah, this me do every morning. They want to know how me look so light and how my father black and my mother black and how me so brown. This is how me get so brown. You understand? So if you guys want some, I can get it for you, eh? Can get it by the bulk and send it Kongyuno. So if you want it, let me know and we will bring it Kongyuno. But this is what you do. This is all your tone. Your tone. Me not bleach, I tone my tone. So you have to get the cake soap, the real cake soap. Only in Jamaica you can get, you know. You have to get the cake soap. The Linda cake soap they have a foreign. That nago give the eye color. That is yellow. You have to get the blue cake soap.
If you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
Last day. Hey, I'm a flower girl. Yeah. So you know, we're having a cookout for me. It's my ugly brother. I'm not talking to him right now. I'm over him. And then we have fish, but not to eat. Well, I mean, can't get too close. And then we have a good up season of chicken. Oh my god. And you mind, you know? You know, just take something not funny. Anyhow, that's what we're doing right now. Like my outfit? I'm a sunflower today. Into you, right? Where's the fork?
Right there. Right there.
Jerk me and jerk. I know work me at work. These birds are getting jerked. I'm not the one putting them on the grill.
Where'd you look? Where birdie?
Oh! Wait. Do you guys see this?
This is a
This is a bird, okay? They caught this thing to cook it, okay? Oh, God. Oh my God, I touched one.
But you finish put them on the grill? Them burn up. What is this? What is this, Zoe? I'm gonna buy no shrimp. I'm gonna buy no shrimp catcher. So you know, grill like without shrimp. It's two butterflies. Wow, you know the nice funny peony. When you bite it, you hear croak. Right. Croak. One more.
You do it then.
This one. Why not put so much seasoning on this one?
I know me put it on, you know?
I hooked on this.
Oh, you must know. So this is how I cook when I'm in Jamaica. This is how you jerk, okay? So there is the chicken and it's jerking. You see it? Oh! We're trying to put the stuff on.
You need something? Too much fire.
Yeah, we know. So I'm lying sometimes, you see? Sure. You just hear say too much fire and you still go put on more.
Sorry.
This nasty, yo. Do you guys see this nasty ass bird? I ain't trying to burn my nail, but you see this nasty ass bird? No! Look on the bird when me I talk about. Look on the bird. Lord Jesus. What?
I thought you were supposed to know better than this. You ever see me do something like bun up to you?
Daddy, nothing wrong with if sitting bun up. That's exactly how I like my wings. I like them extra crispy like that.
So you're not supposed to cook before they then get crispy. You don't know about grill. And the bird tajil, open up the bird. You can't put the bird on the side, you have to open it up like that. Now come there, sir. And the people may think I know, understand grill and understand not about grill.
Alright. Later.
You see, that's all the one thing, tell, say do this and take over.
But I come do it now and you want to take over, so...
The proper way.
So don't tell me that I can't do it properly.
Look and learn.
So don't tell me that I can't do it properly. You say, okay, let me show you how to do it.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
No, you're provoking me.
Yeah?
What is saying? Say something about Ross? Well, how it go? How does it go? Something your parents will rot. How it go? This is too much meat.
So children must be obedient to their parents.
Or else?
And your days will be long.
And what was the one about rot? What was the other one?
He said, fathers must not provoke their son to wrath. Not their daughter, their son.
Yeah, alright.
What a deal with you?
When you hope that the wind gets inside your fire, just clear.
Mr. Do it all and know it all.
I can't with them, I can't. I can't at all.
Oh God. Yo, sorry. Wash your face. Yeah, wash your face.
Lift him now, lift him.
Yes, but you must see better than that.
What did you on enough? Don't tell me, camera.
drama.
Come back, see, I better stop your foolishness.
So good time.
Put up your rug. I'm gonna sick me sick.
Why don't you hear this much rum for drink? Why don't you drink rum?
So bad, yo. Yo.
They really look like you're not come back up, you know.
I'm not.
Let me taste.
Huh?
What?
Can't talk about Eddie and the
You right there, did I?
How many of us see Eddie drink?
I can't do it.
We go to Eddie and the people and say, Sir Brown, you need a drink? I say, Rich, I'm drinking. And I said, where's the kind of drink? He said, anyway, you want? One cranberry water.
For free drinks and I add a cranberry water.
I suppose you can't see you still in it.
You're supposed to.
Of
course.
I want it dry, I want it dry.
Son, yes you are.
Daddy, leave me alone. Hey! Hey! Leave me alone. You man a jai jai.
Look here, me I try and my food in peace. Please don't leave me alone. You understand?
Man a jai jai.
Sure.
Man a jai jai.
Everybody I drink mad food tonight. So I come here the whole of the mad.
Oh my God.
Want some coconut water? Want some coconut water? Nothing about the place, you know? We can't mix some. Daddy, if we mix that and water, we can get coconut water? The rum. If I mix it with the water, will it be coconut water? Don't do it. Look at the time I shake me here. I'm not drunk. Oh! I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk.
When you get signed. Maybe you should say bye.
Made of what? Strand? Which one?
I can't get all the best out of her.
No one can rise.
Made us stay.
This is our home, man.
Catch you on door.
I can't manage it. Kitty, I know. Home, it's home.
This is our home. Here's the rum with the white rum and the
But Jesus Christ.
oh.
I don't want to them.
Father.
Daddy, want to them. Want to you picnic them.
This is our homeland. Sometimes you hear amount of time you catch this at one music and the van.
Go in, Eddie. Take the dance floor, Eddie. Mash it down, Eddie.
No.
You know which one is mine?
I know this. I'm not certain, but I know this.
I'm not thinking of worrying.
My last night with my sibbies, we decided to all sleep together. You guys, I love you guys so much. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry tomorrow. None of you guys are coming with me. So sad. I hate this time. Oh my god. I hope I come back in the summertime. If not, see you guys in 2017. But yo, I'm tired. Chicken was ton up. Eddie's still here. We don't know why he's still. We don't know why he's still here. Like, he should have been gone home. He drank all of my rum. I can't believe it. He didn't clean up the rum. Yo, so many things happened tonight. It was unbelievable. I'm not sure if I caught them all on camera, but I tried my best, yo. And he was dancing. He can't dance. Like, he can't. I don't know what was he was doing. Huh? What do you mean he didn't really a dance? I think I saw you dance. No? We gave my brother rum. Yo, he drank it so fast and it was just like sitting on top of everything. Like this Negro. Yo, he was laughing. Like he couldn't stop. My poor brother. The things I learned about him this trip, I cannot believe. Like he's not my little Targio anymore. I swear. He's like, yeah.
Sorry, come on.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm going. Oh my god. I'm trying. So yeah. That's what's going on for tonight. With my civvies for the last night.
Where did the sugar money for girl?
I put them in my suitcase. Angie, is the rum still underneath the chair? Is the rum that Kiana spilled still underneath the chair? Oh my god. There's gonna be so many bugs in the bed.
That's why I can't sleep on the chair. The walker hurt me. So thank you, Tajel, for giving me part of the bed.
No, go back around there.
You're so loose. But yeah, there are three kids.
You're so lewd.
The guy so little and look when he pick them out them big. Big. No, sir.
Come on, little.
Which part are you little Tangy? You look like a 16-year-old boy. You're
Yeah,
only
Tangy look like my
11-year-old.
Oh, that means I can't go a movie, go check them and watch them.
What do you mean? I can't tell them say you're 18.
But Angie, where's Eddie? Angie, come here. No, oh God, Angie, but come here, please.
I don't want your breadfruit to burn.
Okay, so come back when you're done.
I what?
Ow.
You're blinding me. I can't see.
Shut your eye. Answer me now, when there.
He's waiting for you.
For who? For me, for what? You nice, yo. No matter I see the merit here.
Can't stay in Canada for 2 years before you come back.
Why?
You come out there, come jog you out the US.
Why can't I stay away for 2 years? I want you guys to miss me before I come back.
I'm going to miss you in a 2 days gone.
Aw, brother. You don't mean that. Oh, you don't.
Yes.
You don't.
She's pregnant.
Take time, go up the hill, alright? I was like, man.
Just drive in the bush.
Get all the smoke from my breadfruit, yo.
The house is on fire.
Oh,
Fire.
there it is. Sorry.
I wonder if
Bye.
Bye, maybe see you later.
Don't ride go up the hill walk.
Eddie. Eddie.
Oh God.
Eddie. Wait, Eddie. Call when you reach up, yeah? You don't have no credit. Oh God.
Please call me. Right, let me see Eddie. Right. Go on. Go on, Eddie.
All right. Eddie, you have work tomorrow morning, you know? Yeah, I mean, yeah, tomorrow morning.
Later, not tomorrow morning, later.
What? Eddie, my father say you must come to work.
You ready to go sleep off their room there?
Bye, Eddie.
Right,
Do-
let me see
Eddie,
the
don't
right.
forget say you have work tomorrow, please, and reach up and beg.
Leave Eddie, make Eddie go on home, please.
Take a
Come back, let me get it to you. Eddie. One, let me girls, them dad in bed.
Kiana, you're so dumb, man. Oh my God.
Bye, Eddie. See if I go drop.
Wait, mind my phone drop here. That you don't lick me. All right, bye, Eddie. No, you.
Oh, yeah, drop. You drop away.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Weird.
You can't ride a bike? You can't ride a bike? You was dying of laughter on the mantra.
Did you drop off a better deal? Not too far. Sit up. Can knock on the door. You need concentration to do. What's not right for me? Yeah, don't get service.
Oh my God. I don't want to smell Tajil's breath. And hear you when you're on your phone. Yes. Hold on, no.
One night this morning, you know, I was teaching about button.
What you say